there's another freight train. I missed the first on I intended to bring my camcorder because there's usually a freight train, and we'll get it this way. It's 21 degrees, so it would be hard to stand outside anyway. This is in downtown Kirkwood. Well, these cars don't look as shabby as a lot, but when you compare them to trains in Europe, where we will be going again in April, I mean, the European trains, the vehicles on the roads, I mean, they're all, they're all in good condition. And here, occasionally you find stuff in good condition, or a locomotive that's been painted, but locomotives, well, these aren't bad, but they definitely haven't been washed in a while. Yeah, and also the train length. I mean, in Europe it would have already passed, but instead of like one train, one or two trains, they might have 20 trains, and obviously it costs more to have an engineer, for 20 trains versus, 2, but, or 3, but, just the scale of things is different. finally, we're here at the end.